Hello student, very good morning to you all. I am Amit Mai from New Catholic Mission School English Medium Java. So today we are going to see in the grammar two chapters, okay. Chapter 12 about verbs and the chapter 2 also about the helping verbs. So first we will learn about the verbs, okay. What is verb? The verbs definition is like the verbs are the words which shows or tells us about an action words. Let's see some verbs are given here in this poem. Okay, let's get started. Circle all the action words in the poem. Okay, some verbs are being given here in this poem. So I told you that the verbs are an action words. So we have to find out what are the action words. Sit or stand, roll in the sand, walk or run, time for some fun, color and write, with pencils so bright. Okay, here it is poem. So we can see here there are some verbs like sit and stand also verb, and roll in the sand. The roll means roll also is a verb, and the walk and run also verb. Time for some fun. Okay, the fun is a what? Adjective. And the color and write, these both are what? Color also is a noun and also can be verb, and also write also verb. So let's see here more things about. Read the sentences. The monkey eats bananas. Renuka dances well. Ashok flies kites. The squirrels lives in a hole in the tree. So here in these four sentences we can see the verbs. Okay, verbs are what? The action words. And what is the action words? Which tells us about the person what he or she doing. The monkey eats banana. So eats also what are verb. Ashoka flies kites. Okay, it is also what? Verb. Renuka dances well. So Renuka dances also what? It is verb. Verb means what? We are talking about the action words. The squirrel lives in a hole in the tree. So lives also what are? Verb. Next. The words eats, dances, flies and lives are verbs. They tell us what the noun monkey, Renuka, Ashoka and squirrel do. Verbs are, okay, here the definition of the verbs. Verbs are words which tell us what a person, animal, thinks, does. Okay. Verbs are what which tell us about the person, animal or things, or what they are doing. Okay, what the person is doing or what animal doing. So that is all what are about. We are talking about the verbs. Next, when the noun or pronoun is singular, the verbs is singular. Okay, when the noun or pronoun both are singular, then what will happen? The verb also will be what? Singular. When the noun and pronoun is plural, the verbs is also plural. Okay, when sometime noun and pronoun can be plural. Okay, plural means more than one. So that time also what will happen? The verbs will be more. It will be plural. Next, in the above examples, monkey, Renuka, Ashoka and squirrels are singular nouns. So they take singular nouns like eats, dances, flies and lives. Okay, there is what? Singular nouns and also singular verbs. Some verbs are made up for more than one words. Okay, there are some words which are made for more than one. Okay, if we talk about the singular person like monkey eats. So monkey is what? Singular, then eats also will be what? Eats verb, and with singular noun. Okay, we will use after verb s. Examples here about the more words. Example, Mohan is running fast. Okay, the dog is wagging its tail. The lion cubs are sleeping under a tree. Okay, here it is what about? It is about more things. Okay, next. The words is running and wagging and are sleeping show what the nouns Mohan, dog and cubs are doing. Okay, so the words here we can see like running. Running is what? Our action word. Wagging is means moving the tail here and there. So it is wagging also what? Our verb. And the other one is sleeping. Sleeping is what? Also verb. So how we can understand that what is verbs? Verbs are action words. Okay, in next chapter we will see about helping verbs. In lesson 13, what are the helping verbs? Am, is and are. Okay, we have to know when we have to use these helping verbs. Okay, we always use am with I. Okay, I am, like we cannot use I am with other he or she or other pronouns or nouns. And is used only for the singular noun, like he for boy and she for girl and it for animal or things, and are we use for more plural pronouns, okay, or plural noun. Next we will see here what happened here in the chapter. You have learnt that am, are and is are verbs which shows something is happening at the present time. Each of them is used with the different kinds of nouns and pronouns. Okay, when we use these helping verbs, we use these helping verbs only in the present tense. Okay, in present time means the action is happening on the same time. We don't use this helping verb in past or in future. And also these helping verbs got their own rules, like kinds, noun and pronouns. Okay, according to nouns we use the helping verbs, and according to pronouns also we use helping verbs. We use about the noun, how we can use the noun, like read these sentences. Okay, here there is girl who is riding the cycle. I am a cyclist. Okay, I am a cyclist. I is what? Is a singular noun. Okay, and am is what? It's a supporting helping verb. So we can make many sentences like I am a teacher, I am an artist, I am a cyclist, and many sentences we can make by am. Okay, next in second sentence, I am a Freddy, I am a dog. Okay, here dog is also saying about itself, like what is he? Its name is what? Freddy, and what he is actually what? He is the dog, means its animal. I am Santa. Okay, here also the person Santa. Okay, he is also talking about himself. Next, we use the verbs am with pronouns. Okay, we have to keep in our mind that we use these helping verbs with pronouns. Okay, next we use how to is, use of is. Read these sentences. He is a big boy. Okay, he is big boy means here we are talking about one boy. And she is a girl, so she is tennis player. She is a tennis player. Next, this box is heavy. Okay, the box is heavy means we are talking about the things, not the girl. Okay, the girl is just we can use for girl, she is a girl, but here we are talking about the box, and the box is what kind of box? Box has its own weight. Okay, so heavy. Next, are. Read these sentences. Okay, we will use about are, how we can use the are. Okay, let's see here some sentences and some pictures also about the pronouns and nouns. We are friends. Okay, we are friends. We is what? Not singular noun, it is a plural. Okay, more than one, like I and we. So here we are in Shimla. There are 4 of us. Okay, they are talking with some and saying that they are, how many person they are? They are 4. If it could be there only one person, then we could use I am. Okay, I am, not I are. So the sentence will be wrong. Next, second sentence. You are also in Shimla. Your coat and cape are pretty. Okay, here also for pronoun of you, we will always use are, no am and no any other helping verbs. Only are will be used for you. So here your coat and cape. Okay, coat and cape, how many things they are? They are two. Okay, if there could be only coat, then what? Your coat is pretty, but there are many things, more than one. So what are they? Coat and cape. So they are two, so we will use what? Are. So your coat and cape are pretty, and like that other sentence can be, yeah, your pencil and pen are good, or your bag and bottle are very good. So this can be sentence here. These are our cats. Okay, these are our cats. How many cats you can see here? Only two cats. Okay, so we are talking about two cats, not only one cat. If we talk about one cat, it will be like its helping verb is. Okay, so these are our cats. They are cute. Okay, they are cute means we are talking about these both cats. We use the verbs are with plural nouns, and the pronouns you, we and they end with this, those and their. Okay, here are also some rules given for using of these. So this is how we learn about chapter 12. The chapter 12 is about only the verbs, means about the action words, and the chapter 13 is about the helping verbs. So how we can use the helping verb with the noun or pronouns. Okay, thank you very much.